Meaning of externality.
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 Externality. Externality refers to the impact of a transaction or activity on individuals or parties who are not directly involved in it, and are therefore not accounted for in its cost-benefit analysis. It can be positive, beneficial, or negative, harmful, and its effects may extend beyond the immediate vicinity or timeframe of the activity. For example, air pollution caused by industrial production is a negative externality that affects the health and well-being of people far beyond the factory site. Externality highlights the need for policies and regulations to address the societal costs and benefits of economic activities.